Hello, Opophiles! The Kickstarter has officially launched to help us premiere some new music in Boulder, Colorado at the IDRS conference this summer. If you are a student, I do not want you to help contribute anything financially, but it would be really cool if you could grab the link in the description below and repost it to Facebook, Instagram, any social media that can help bring the project to the attention of people who may be able to contribute and help bring the project to life. If you are not a student, however, it would be super awesome if you could check out the project and see all the cool perks you can get in return for a financial contribution. It would be really great to bring this project to life. We only have 30 days or so for this thing to happen, so any little bit helps. Super grateful as always. Thank you guys so much.